I feel like a cup of tea. So we go foraging. Let's see how far we have to go before we can get something.
Welcome to the jungle. We're far from the city lights, where crickets sing and wildcats roar in the warm and dark jungle night. Jungle, jungle life. We're in the jungle, jungle life.
Take 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. Oh, turkey tail mushrooms. Here we go. Just focus on that. These, if they're white on the back, then well, these are white, they're just dirty. But they don't have gills. Okay, that's just sand and dirt because of the rain season. Now these are turkey tail mushrooms. Just Google them and see how good they are. Let's just take these. There we go. I'll just take that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jungle, for providing this for me. It's on my doorstep. See? And there's my door. And there's my doorstep. And those are growing right here. It seems sad to pick them because they're so beautiful. But they're very good for you. So I'm going to take them. Just check the back, yeah. See, I'll show you when they've been washed, but they're just white in the back. You can dry them in the oven or use a dehydrator. I have a little dehydrator. So this handful here, what I'm going to do is wash them, dry them, put them in a little container, and then just take them out as I need them. And I'll just show you how abundant they are. Like you have, it's rain season here right now, so they're everywhere. Okay, and there's a whole new batch over here. So we just leave this wood lying around, and it just pumps out these turkey tails. Look at that. Amazing, eh? Don't know what those are. I don't know, so I won't touch them. And these are the real ones because I have eaten them, and I'm not dead. Yeah, look how white they are on the back. These are clean, these ones. These have not been. See the ones that are close to the ground, when the rain hits the ground, it splashes up. Just add you to my collection. Yeah, look how it's really white on the back. It's a perfect example. Nice one. Look at this over here. Look at this. Just whoa! There's a snake with a lizard in its mouth. I nearly stood on that. Look at that. Bonus footage. He's actually eating that lizard as we speak. You better be careful because there's a cat behind me. You see that? It's a snake. Hey snakey. Okay, I won't interfere. You can just continue with your meal. And I'll continue with my mushrooms. There you go. See the back of them? They're white. If they have gills on the back, it's the wrong one. You don't want those. At these. Beautiful. Hey, that's hot, be careful. So I dried the mushrooms in the dehydrator. You can also use an oven, the lowest setting with the fan on. And there we go. go. Looks like this. I'll take out a few of those. Just break them up a little bit. Hey, Mavis, what are you doing? I don't know, put in whatever you feel like. Try it, and if it's too strong, then you put in too many. If it's too weak, you don't put nothing. I think something like that looks good. See if we can do this. And now you just leave that for about 10 minutes. You'll see the mushrooms like expanding a little bit, and they sink to the bottom usually when you stir it up. Yeah. When you sink to the bottom, there's a good sign when it's ready. Okay, so as you can see, the mushrooms have sunk to the bottom. It's tinted the water a little bit, but not much. Some people boil them for like an hour and then just let them soak the water afterwards. You can do that, or you can just pour it in and leave it for like 10-15 minutes. Cheers. That's actually not bad. It's supposed to be really nice in a soup as well, like a mushroom soup. Actually, it's the taste of cream of mushroom soup. That's the kind of mushroom it tastes like. If you've had cream of mushroom soup before, then if you like that and you like this, and it's got all the health benefits, and if you're going to enjoy it properly, and you should enjoy it in a place like this where you picked them out. We picked them from around here, like I'm within picking distance. Good stuff. Cheers.